Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something genuinely exciting, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce, the Italian brand's first ever electric vehicle. And spoiler alert, this is not your typical boring EV. First impressions matter, and the Junior Veloce makes a striking statement right off the bat. Alfa Romeo has successfully translated their signature Italian flair into this compact electric package. Yes, it shares some underpinnings with the Fiat 600 and Jeep Avenger, but the designers in Milan have worked their magic to create something distinctly Alfa. Now for the truly exciting part, Alfa Romeo has completely transformed the underlying platform for the Veloce model. We are talking about a bespoke 280 horsepower electric motor, completely revised suspension, and a specially adapted limited slip differential. The result is nothing short of spectacular. The instant torque hits you like an espresso shot, launching you to 60 in just 5.9 seconds. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Point the Junior Veloce at a twisty road and it comes alive in your hands. The steering is precise and communicative, the grip levels are outstanding, and the chassis balance is just spot on. It genuinely feels more like a hot hatch than a crossover. Slide into the driver's seat and you immediately notice the sporty atmosphere. The cockpit wraps around you with a driver-focused layout, and the optional Seatbelt sports seats are simply fantastic. They look like they belong in a race car, but offer genuine comfort for daily driving. I do have to mention there are some hard plastics and obvious Stellantis parts bin components that might disappoint at this price point, but the overall vibe remains sporty and purposeful. The tech package includes a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen angled toward the driver. The system is fairly intuitive, though it can be a bit laggy at times. Thankfully, Alfa kept physical controls for climate functions, which is always appreciated when you are focusing on the road ahead. Yes, the ride is on the firm side. You will feel those road imperfections more than in some competitors, but the trade-off is absolutely worth it for the handling characteristics. This is a car that encourages you to take the long way home just for the fun of it. Regarding range and charging, the 54 kilowatt-hour battery delivers around 205 miles of range. Not class-leading, but enough for most daily needs. When you do need to juice up, the 100 kilowatt DC fast charging capability will get you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. For home charging, the 11 kilowatt AC system will fully charge the battery overnight. So what is our verdict on the Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce? It is not perfect. The interior quality could be better in places, and the range will not win any competitions. But this car has something that is becoming increasingly rare in the EV world: genuine character and soul. It is a proper driver's car that just happens to be electric. It proves that the transition to EVs does not mean the death of driving pleasure. The Junior Veloce is engaging, characterful, and unmistakably Alfa Romeo. It puts a smile on your face every single time you get behind the wheel. If you are an enthusiast looking to make the switch to electric, or just someone who wants their daily commute to be more exciting, the Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce deserves your attention. It is a promising start to Alfa's electric future, and we cannot wait to see what comes next. That is it for our review of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And let us know in the comments what you think about Alfa's first electric offering. Would you consider one as your next car? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.